Hello students, welcome to the online physics class. I am Pinky Mondol, your physics teacher from Modern College. As you know, due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are unable to conduct the classes in the campus. So, we will continue online classes until the situations becomes normal. I hope everyone in the class 11 will cooperate to teaching and learning process through online. Hope all of you could be attentive all the classes. This is the first online class for physics. Today I will discuss about the syllabus and some basic topics related to physics from Unit 1. After every class, I will give you some tasks, questions, classwork, or you can say homework. You have to complete all the tasks and submit to me on time. Okay? So, let's start our today's class. Okay, first let us know about our physics syllabus. So in final NBSc exam, out of 100 marks, 70 for theory and 30 for practical. So 70 marks for theory and 30 for practical. So, in theory for physics, you have total 10 units and 2 textbooks, part 1 and part 2. Besides textbook, you can purchase reference books for NEET and joint entrance exam. Now, come to unit-wise weightage. You can see from here, you can see from this screen, Unit 1, named as Physical World and Measurement. So from this unit total marks is 4. Then for second unit total marks is 10 and third unit named as Laws of Motion total marks is 8 and so on. Let us now discuss about our practical. As before I told, for practical total 30 marks is there. You can see from here, for practicals, section A and another section is B. So, 2 sections are there. One is section A. So, from section A, some experiments and some activities are there. And in the same way, for section B also, some experiments and some activities are there. So for practical exam in final, you can see from this screen, you have to attend 2 practical from each section having 6 plus 6, that means total 12 marks, and you can choose 1 activity from any section, 4 marks, and for practical record book 6 marks is there. Yes, remember, you have to make 1 practical record book and 1 demonstration experiment and viva based on this experiment is 3 marks and viva on experiments and other is 5. So 12, 4, 6, 3, 5. Total 30 marks is there in practical. So this is basically our physics syllabus for NBSc Physics class 11, and today we will start from unit 1 and we will discuss about some basic topics related to physics and science. So first you have to know what is science and then what is physics. Next we will know what is physical world and what is measurement and what is the need for measurement. So, what is science? Remember, the word science comes from the Latin verb scientia. From where? From Latin verb scientia. Scientia, which meaning, and scientia meaning is to know. The word science comes from the Latin verb scientia, and meaning of scientia is to know. So we can define science is a systematic and organized knowledge obtained through observation and experiment. I repeat, science is a systematic and organized knowledge obtained through observation and experiment. I am writing here, science is a systematic and organized knowledge obtained through observation and experiment. Okay, so what is the basic aim of science or knowledge? The basic aims of knowledge is to modify and control the environment. Clear? The basic aim of this knowledge is to modify and control the environment. Knowledge in science is acquired through scientific method. The scientific method includes various steps like observation, experiments, reasoning, and verification of theories. There is no final theory in science. If the result of new experiment is better than that of existing theory, then the theory needs modification. Okay. Now come to our second topic. That means what is physics? Now we will discuss about physics. So remember, the word physics comes from a Greek word meaning nature. From where? A Greek word meaning nature. So physics deal with nature and natural phenomena, and we can say physics is the study of nature. So physics deals with nature and natural phenomena. So we can say physics is the study of nature. Then we can write physics deals with nature and natural phenomena. Physics deals with nature and natural phenomena. Clear? Now our next topic, what is physical world? Okay, so what is physical world? The colorful world around us, the fascinating night sky with bright celestial objects, regular repetitions of the day and night, the periodic as well as annual cycle of seasons, the eclipses, the tides, the rainbow, the volcanoes, always being a source of wonder, are known as physical world. I repeat, the colorful world around us, the fascinating night sky with bright celestial objects, regular repetitions of the day and night, then the periodic as well as annual cycle of seasons, the eclipses, the tides, the volcanoes, always being a source of wonder, are known as physical world. These diverse physical phenomena in terms of few concepts and laws comprises physical world. In this chapter or in this unit, we are going to learn about the physical quantities and the units of measurement. Okay, for this we have to know what is measurement. Now we will know about measurements. So what is measurement? Measurement plays an important role in daily life because they are useful to do basic tasks such as to take a child's temperature with thermometer, make time estimation, measure out medicines, find weights, area, volume of different substances and materials we come across in our daily life. So, measurement is very need act for our daily life. So, what is the need for measurement? Need for measurement. What is the need for measurement? Measurement is needed for systematic study of different phenomena, comparison of an object or an event with other object or event. I repeat, measurement is needed for systematic study of different phenomena, comparison of an object or an event with other object or event. Clear? So, that's all about our today's class. In next class, we will learn unit of measurement and different systems of units. CGS system, FPS system, MKS systems, all the system we will learn in our next class. Thank you all.